As we all know, today we are gathered here for the inaugural function of the new online training program for the school and college students from various colleges in Andhra. So this training has been initiated in collaboration with Andhra Loyola College, keeping the present COVID situation and also responding to the present requirement of the VI students of Andhra to write their university or college exams on computers from next academic year or in the upcoming years. So based on this, we have designed different modules of online training program for our VI students, which includes computer skills, life skills, mobility, employability, etc., which will enable them to become an efficient computer user and employable. So basically, this is the first module. In this workshop, first module with the workshop on Android mobile applications, wherein we introduce various Android mobile solutions for reading and writing purposes in order to fulfill their educational needs. So now I request Dr. Sai Bhaskaran sir, coordinator, Andhra Loyola College, to welcome the dignitaries of for this program.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening, all of you. I take this opportunity to welcome Srimati Shanti Raghavan, founder and managing director of Enable India, also Ashoka Fellow, Social Entrepreneur of the Year 2019, and Inclusivity Evangelist, and my great admirer, and Reverend Father Principal, Father Victor Emmanuel, and Sri Moses Chowdhury, the program director of Enable Vision, and other trainers, Naveen, and also Jinsi Madam, who is coordinating the efforts, and my dear students from all the colleges from Vijayawada and Guntur and other Vijay Mary School and other places. Good evening, each and every one of you. We are fortunate to have a collaboration with Enable India since 2016. So it all started with a meeting I have attended in Ahmedabad, where we happened to meet Madam as well as Moses Chowdhury. From 2016, Enable India is offering training to our students. Previously, they used to offer for 2 months. The trainer used to stay in the campus, and they give training in the evening for all the students of Loyola as well Vijay Mary Integrated School for the Blind. From 2018 December, Enable India started a digital literacy center in our campus, and they have appointed a full-time trainer. Previously Madhavi and earlier Shiva was there, and we could have a training to all our students. That went on till February 2020. Now the situation has changed a lot. Earlier we had a problem. Even students from SRR college could not attend, because no, even to transit from SRR college to Vijayawada was a challenge. But now we are taking the COVID situation into advantage actually, because students from Guntur, students from Acharya Nagarjuna University, all of us have come into same platform, and the distances are no more, and we are able to get connected thanks to the great vision of Shanti Madam. So a word I must say about Shanti Madam, because I am a great admirer of Madam. Ever since I find a great leader in her. Shanti Raghavan is an engineer basically, and did MSc in USA, and she also worked in teaching for a year, as also for a short period in USA, and 12 years of software experience in USA. So for some reason or the other, she came to India, and because of her brother, and she has started this Enable India, and today Enable India is reaching millions of people, empowering and also becoming a model in education, and also providing a lot of awareness, inclusive employability, and lot of other custom made solutions. It is becoming a leader thanks to Shanti Raghavan madam, and we are fortunate to have been associated with the madam. And Moses Chaudhary is almost like my son. We have our student from Andhra Loyola College, and he is also. I also happened to meet him in the 2016 when the Enable Vision was initiated. Now I am happy to know that he has become the project director, and together the madam, with the leadership of madam and Moses Chaudhary, are taking great strides in the training and also placement services. Shanti Raghavan, as rightly, was awarded National Award for the Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities in 2010. She has received the award from the President of India in 2010. That speaks about the great skills, leadership madam has got. So we are fortunate, madam, to invite you, to welcome you to this webinar, web meeting, and we wanted to always have you in the campus. Of course, I have attended other webinar which you have presented through Bookshare a few weeks back. 2 hours I was attending. I was enjoying the whole meeting, your ideas, everything is a great vision you have, and with your vision, I am sure with our collaboration, our project is going on a great strides. And this program is addressing post-COVID situation, is to give training not only confining to Loyola College and AC College Guntur, SRR College Vijayawada, Hindu College Guntur, and Gayatri College, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Vijay Mary School, and all students, about 50, are getting this training. This is especially to give training how to equip themselves, because the whole world is changing now. We are all moving to online teaching, and our students should not lag, and they should learn how to use their tools, especially the smartphone, Android apps, so that they will be empowered, not simply empowered, they can even do much better than the normal students. We always have a dream so that our students will write exams through laptop, and this time first year there are some students, they have joined in our college and they are training to use laptop. I'm sure this year it also will become realized. So with this, we are happy to have you, madam, and I invite all the students also, from students from Loyola as well students from other colleges. I'm sure this training is one of the best training all over the world, all over the India. They continuously monitor and they devise the system to the best possible ways. So if students, if you make use of, definitely you all will be empowered. You can meet the situation, you can change this disadvantage situation, post-COVID situation, into advantage. That's our wish. And I welcome all the trainers, Madhavi and Sai and others, and also Jinsi madam, for this program inaugural of the new venture which we are having with the support and leadership of Shanti madam and Moses Chaudhary, and welcome you all to this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for sharing your vision towards the whole program of, with Enable India. So now I call upon Shanti ma'am for greeting the audience, students.
Thank you, Jinsi. Thank you so much, Dr. Sahaya Bhaskar, for such a lovely introduction. First of all, I thank you. And I also want to, convey my regards to Reverend Father Victor Emmanuel for being also on this program. And to all the students, so nice to be on this call and see you at least through the screen, a little bit of an interaction. So first, Dr. Sahaya Bhaskar, I want to tell you thank you. Because of you, we have Moses Chaudhary in our office, at Enable India, and because of that, we can do so much work. So it's all the hard work that, people like you have put, that has got our own very Moses here at Bangalore, working for not only the country, but now also the world. So it gives me great pleasure and happiness to say this. So I think it is so nice that all of you are going to get something which is, there are people around the world who want the kind of training you are going to get. Make no mistake about it, because the kind of training that we have devised over the years is extremely scientific, based on what really a person with vision impairment requires to be not only equal, to be a change maker, to be somebody who is required for the country, for the nation. Now how did this come about? That's a big journey. But I can tell you the impact of this, and you have to look at that as your goal, right? When you are learning Android, that time you'll be getting, I have to do this feature again, I have to do this training again. I know student behavior. I also was a student. Sometimes I'll be like, yeah, I have to finish this studies. We sometimes get into that mode. But if you know the goal, then I know you will be very interested, right? So just to give you a simple example, it started with my brother who started growing blind many years back. And I remember one funny thing, my dad called me and said, "Oh, what will he do? He's growing blind. I will give him one shop, and so that he can just manage the shop." Then my dad called me and said, "Oh my God, how will he manage the shop? So I will give him an assistant." I said, "Okay." Simply I said, "Okay." He kept the phone down. Again he called me. Then he's telling me, "Oh my God, but the assistant will do cheating for the brothers. What do I do now?" These are the things running in a person's mind, right? At that time, first when person becomes visually impaired. But today, what is the scenario? Okay, my brother has done BCom, MBA. He is working in Amazon Web Services in a very senior position. But more important than that, I am here in Bangalore. He is in Bombay. Okay, people may be thinking I will be looking after my parents. I am not looking after. I don't even know where my parents are right now. Okay. But my brother is not only looking after them, my dad has to go to the hospital every 3 weeks. My dad goes to the hospital. Can people hear me?
Yes. Yes,
madam.
Yes.
Yeah. I think somebody is not muted.
Yes.
So can we tell them to mute?
Yeah,
Hello, can you just mute the phone?
Guys, everybody mute yourself, guys.
So today, what do I see with my brother? That my dad has to go to the hospital every three weeks. My brother takes care of that. My mom always goes to, to actually put a parti. My brother does all the travel arrangements. He does everything. And he, of course, travels around the country for his work. Correct? So, see what was thought earlier, right? Oh my God, how will he even do something? Somebody will cheat him. Today, my brother runs all the finances and does everything. And this is true for many people with vision impairment around the country when they realized that not only that everybody has the potential, that what steps they have to take to reach the same level or same opportunity that everybody else has. So what does a person who has vision, like, who has, who is not visually impaired, what do they have? Oh, I can walk everywhere. Okay, what about you as visually impaired? If you have the cane, you have mobility, you have orientation, you should be able to go anywhere for work, for pleasure, for enjoying yourself. That should be your goal. So when you are being taught mobility, it is not you have to use cane. No, I want to go somewhere. I want to reach somewhere. I want to be able to go to office. I want to look after my parents. I want to, when I get married, I have to take my child somewhere. So for that reason, I want to learn mobility. So keep that as your goal. Okay, why am I learning this Android phone? Of course, I know you will enjoy it. And definitely you'll be able to then listen to YouTube or do many things. But I'm going to use this to get more exposure on different books. I will learn about what is happening around in the world. I will learn it in Telugu. I will learn it in English, etc. Right? So by reading and learning from books, I am going to be able to be equal just like everybody else. So when you are learning everything at Enable India, please use this opportunity to know your goal. What is it that I want to do? Oh my God, if I read these books, I will have a better personality. I will actually have a better personality. So what does personality mean? That I can, how will I sound? Hello, sir, my name is this. Or is it going to be, hello, sir, my name is, this is my name and this is what I do. So when we learn from books, our personality and confidence will go up. Yeah. Can you mute yourself? People, somebody is not yet muted.
Sorry, Krupakar, can you please mute yourself?
Madam,
Yeah, we can still. I think he's not. Tell him the keystroke if you can tell him.
Krupakar,
hello.
please
Madam,
mute yourself.
mute on the best too.
Is there a keystroke? Moses, tell him the keystroke now.
M press చేయండి.
What?
Control Shift M.
Control Shift M. Oh, okay. Good to know that. Even I can use it. Good. Okay. Yeah. So whatever you're going to learn in this course, see what is that goal? What do you want to achieve with that, right? So if I get access to Android phone, I am going to read books. I'm going to know so many things about in the world that I'm going to have a better personality because of that, right? So just keep this in mind. Keep that goal in mind. You know that gamyam. What is that gamyam? Keep that in mind when you are learning anything with Enable India. And we look forward to all of you becoming, not only like Moses, like your own better version of yourself, right? Where some of you will be in the government, some will be in the bank, some will be in companies, some will be doing great social service, many other things, right? So for example, I must tell you that we have people from Andhra Pradesh, and there are some people for 10 years in their life, they were not doing anything, sitting at home. After doing this course at Enable India, getting employment, I was so happy to see that this person was able to actually help their father when he had surgery. This person who is blind actually gave the money for the surgery, right? We have seen that. We have seen many people, including Vinayak, who's on the call. They have built a home for their own parents. Before, parents are thinking, what will my son or daughter do? Today, each one of our people with vision impairment have built houses for their parents. They have gifted maybe a motorcycle. They have done something like that. They are helping in family decisions. They have got married. They have children. Children are troubling them, right? Everything, whatever happens with everybody else is happening with our person with vision impairment, right? So why did that happen? The first step was this freedom through technology, freedom through the Android phone, freedom through computers, freedom through cane usage, through mobility, freedom through employability, right? In employability, you will realize you are just a person like everybody else. And because of that, do not call yourself as visually challenged, differently abled, specially abled. Don't use that language. You are a person with vision impairment. You are a person with blindness. You are a person first, then you're something else. And for example, somebody like me, I am not normal and not that way. I am a person without disability. We are all people. We all have ability and capability. And it starts by you recognizing that you have a lot to give to India, to give to yourself, to your family, to your college, like our own Andhra Loyola College, to your state, like Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, and to your country, India. So this is my expectation from you. I expect that you will do the best so that you can reach your own potential, enjoy your life, enjoy movies, enjoy, dancing, enjoy music, enjoy work, enjoy family, enjoy everything, right? So I want you to really have a great life, and your starting point is your freedom through your digital education. So thank you so much for having me in your program, and I look forward to seeing each one of you, being something like, I don't know what, and when I meet you later, I'll come to know one fantastic story like how I told you about my brother. I want to hear a story from you, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shanti ma'am, for the great words and the setting up the expectations for all the students. So now I call upon Reverend Father Victor Emmanuel, Principal, Andhra Loyola College, to greet the students.
Jinzi, as I mentioned, I'm so sorry. I'll have to take your leave. I have to go. I was on another call and I came out of it.
Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
Sorry, Dr. Sahib Askar, if with your permission and Reverend Father's permission. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody, and
Thank you so much.
Best of luck. Best of luck.
Thank you. Great.
Thank you, Shanti ma'am.
Jinsi ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, father is yet to join. Some issue, technical issue. We will go to the next one.
Yes. Now, Moses, can we start with your, greetings with the students and maybe the way forward with the project? Moses, are you there?
Yes, Jinsi.
So
Good
I
afternoon,
invite,
everybody.
yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Respected father, who will be joining us, I think, in some time. Sahai Bhaskaran sir,
Hi.
thank you for being there. I think you have been the reason why we are able to do this training in the first place.
Yes, nice, Moses. Welcome. Nice.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure. Always okay, coming to either meeting virtually or coming to in Loyola College.
Yes.
Is coming back. Is coming to home for me because that is where I have grown up. That's where I have seen. I have learned how to deal with life because one of the things that Loyola College does is to giving that opportunity. It's not just about ఓన్లీ ట్రైనింగ్ కదండి. అందరు మన లాలా కాలేజ్లో ఉన్న అడ్వాంటేజ్ మనకు విజయవాడలో ఉన్న వేరే కాలేజీలతో పోలిస్తే ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ చదువు ఒక్కటే కాదు, మనకి అన్ని రంగాల్లో మనకి అనుభవం కలగడానికి ఒక ఆపర్చునిటీ అనమాట. అలాగే ఐఎమ్ షూర్ అదర్ కాలేజెస్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతున్నాయి, చాలా మంచిది. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ కోర్స్. అందరికి ఒకే ఒక్క అపీల్ నాకు ఒక్క కోరిక ఏంటంటే సాయి భాస్కర్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టుగా అందరూ మన కాలేజీలో ఏ కాలేజీలో చదువుతున్నప్పటికీ కూడా మనంతరికి మనమే చదివి మనంతరికి మనమే ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలన్నది నా డ్రీము. ఎందుకంటే లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుందంటే మనం చదువుకున్న ఇల్లిటరేట్స్ అంటారు, మనం చదువుకుంటాం కానీ మనంతరికి మనం రాయకపోతే మనకి ఏ జాబులో కూడా మనకి రాయకుండా మనం జాబ్ చేయలేం కదండి. ఇప్పుడు కంప్యూటర్ అయినా సరే అవ్వచ్చు, కంప్యూటర్ అయినా సరే మనం రాయాలి, అంతేగాని మనకి ఏమన్నా స్క్రైబ్ ఇవ్వరు కదా. ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత నేను ఎంఐఎస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్గా చేస్తాను కానీ నాకు ఒక అసిస్టెంట్ కావాలి, కంప్యూటర్ మీద వర్క్ చేయడం కంటే ఎవరిని ఇస్తారండి ఏమన్నా కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు. కాబట్టి ఈ యొక్క ట్రైనింగ్ని మనం దానికోసం ఉపయోగించుకుని ఒక టాంజిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ సాయి భాస్కర్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టుగా నాకు కూడా డ్రీమ్ ఏంటంటే మన పిల్లలందరూ కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ ఎలా అయితే సైటెడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎలా అయితే వాళ్ళందరికీ వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తున్నారో మనం కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆన్ అవర్ ఓన్. I think that's going to be is the end goal for us and in one way. But more than that, ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ని ఎట్లా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలంటే ఏదైనా ఇప్పుడు మీ ట్రైనింగ్లో వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు కష్టాలు రావచ్చు, అంత ఈజీగా ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం అవుతుంది, ఒక్కోసారి టెక్నాలజీ అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు, ఒక్కోసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమంటారు. పవన్, నవీన్, వినాయక్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఏంటంటే ట్రైనింగ్ బాగా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు డెడ్ లైన్ ఇస్తారు, చేయాలి, మీరు ఫోర్స్ కొంచెం కష్టం ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే ఒక్కటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ఏంటంటే మనం ఒకసారి నేను అక్కడికి లయోలా కాలేజ్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పాను, మీకు ఆ స్టోరీ గుర్తుందో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ ఒక శిల్పి గనక ఒక రాతిని తీసుకుని ఏ విధంగా అయితే శ్రమించి దాని మీద ఒత్తిడి పెట్టి దాన్ని చెక్కి దాన్ని కావాల్సి వస్తే కట్ చేసి మరి ఒక శిల్పంగా తయారు చేస్తారు. అలాగే ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ కూడా ఆ ప్రాసెస్లోనే ఉంటుంది. మీకు అంత ఈజీగా అన్ని ఈజీగా ఉండదు. బట్ రిమెంబర్, యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఏ స్టాచ్యూ వన్ డే, the statue that have gone through the vigor of the sculpture. So remember, there will be ups and downs, but we are with you. I hope you will enjoy this journey. Just way forward, one thing that I wanted to mention is because this Loyola College is always one step ahead in all the things, right? Whether giving education, quality, the kind of cultural programs that happens. But even in the disability space also, the Loyola College has been taking this initiative. Vijay Mary School is coming forward and making sure that quality education is given. So similarly, other colleges, make sure that whatever you are learning here, apply in your life. That means when you learn to use Android phone, try to use Android phone for your own benefit. May it be for reading paper, may it be for sending SMS, talking to people, whatever it could be. When you start only using it, there will some value. If you just learn, okay, you'll say, I'll keep this knowledge in the cupboard, nicely lock it. That knowledge is not of no use. So I only request all of you to use this knowledge what you are gaining, apply it so that you know how much you are learning. దెన్ అప్పుడే మీరు మళ్ళీ ట్రైనర్స్ని డౌట్స్ అడగలుగుతారు. మీరు దీన్ని నేర్చుకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ని అప్లై చేయకపోతే, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే మీరు ట్రైనర్స్ని ఏం అడగాలో కూడా మీకు తెలియకపోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి తీసుకుని అప్లై చేసి ఐ వాంట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టు సీ టు యూస్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ, use all the technology that is there. And Sahai Bhaskar sir, thank you so much. I know for some of the candidates you are even arranging, sending the laptop from the college. That much risk that sir is taking, and the reason why he's doing all this is just with one thing, is that we get the best opportunity, we have the best environment to learn. So we are there, and anytime you have feedback, you want to change the, you want to tell something about the course, please reach out to your trainers. They can put you in touch with me as well. Jinsi madam is there. She has a vast experience. She has about 10 plus 12 plus years of experience in training visually impaired. In fact, when I came to Bangalore initial days, I learned from her computers. So she also played an important role in shaping me. So I'm sure under her guidance and our team is there. We're all there for you. And this training is not just only happening in isolation. We are in it together. We are having a target of reaching million people like you. That means only when you learn, you can inspire the next generation. If you don't learn, if you don't become a role model, we cannot change the next generation. So I invite all of you to become role models and be yourself. No need to try to copy and become somebody else. I'm sure each one of you will be yourself and be the come up to the potential that you have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Moses. Thank you for the inspiring words and motivation to all the students. Sir, Father is there in the call, or shall we?
No, we'll
Sai
go ahead,
Bhaskar,
madam. We'll go ahead. Next.
Okay, I think we had Father's talk only next, but I think maybe if you want me to just talk about the whole module of this training, see, as I have communicated initially. So this is the first module wherein this course is basically on in the initial 15 days. This is a 22 days training, 44 hours. So 2 hours per day online training. So initial 15 days training will include, introducing various mobile app solutions for reading, writing, and, collecting different information from various online sources. And the remaining 8 days of training will include accessing online library, Bookshare, Sugamya Pustakalaya for reading syllabus and non-syllabus books to fulfill your educational needs. So there will be assignments on daily basis will be given to all of you based on the concepts taught on daily basis. So that's one thing. And the batch is with 50 students, and 50% of them are with the laptop and computer, and the remaining 50% are having the Android mobile phones. So the batch it's we are conducting in 2 different batches. One batch with 25 and 2 trainers will be managing, Madhvi and Rajesh. The other batch with 25 members will be managed by Vinayak and Pawan. So this is a mixed batch, people having laptop and not having laptop, with Android mobile phones, so that there is a peer learning model also we want to implement in the further days. So that is the initial, that's our plan. Maybe going forward, we are also planning for designing the next module once this is done. So anything, sir, if you want to add, or maybe.
Yeah. Sahai Bhaskar sir, if any students want to ask anything, or
Yes.
Yes.
that's also
We can.
yeah.
Yes, Moses.
We can make it interactive as well.
Yeah. And we encourage Telugu. That's better still.
Yeah, sir.
Let them. You can also
Yeah.
interact with them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Students, మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా అడగండి అమ్మా. త్రిష, దివ్య.
మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా, లేకపోతే మీరు ఏమైనా షేర్ చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నా, లేకపోతే మీకు ఏమన్నా అంటే ఇంకేదైనా క్లారిఫికేషన్ కావాలన్నా, ఏదైనా సరే.
శ్రీను, నాగార్జున యూనివర్సిటీ అన్నా? శ్రీను, నాగమణి, సిహెచ్ శ్రీనివాసరావు, మేనగా దేవి, యా మీ ఈ కోర్స్ గురించి మీ ఒపీనియన్స్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
మీ అందరికి స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా కోర్సు, ట్రైనర్స్ ఆల్రెడీ రోజు జరుగుతున్నాయి కదా క్లాసులు 2 days నుంచి. మీ ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా లేకపోతే మీకు ఏదైనా అర్థం కాకపోయినా
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ అదే కీ స్ట్రోక్ Ctrl+Shift+M మీరు ఆ కీ స్ట్రోక్ యూస్ చేస్తే అన్మ్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. కంప్యూటర్లో ఉంటే కనుక, మొబైల్లో అయితే కనుక మీరు ఆడియో బటన్ మ్యూట్ అన్మ్యూట్ అని ఉంటుంది.
గుంటూరు కాలేజెస్ లో క్లాసెస్ జరుగుతున్నాయా? గుంటూరు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారమ్మా? ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అయినాయా? సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ డిగ్రీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి?
నో సార్.
గుంటూరులో ఏమీ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలేదు కదా?
లేదు.
రైట్.
లేదు,
సో
okay.
అందరూ కూడా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ త్వరగా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో అందుకని ఇప్పుడు మీరు బేసిక్ ఈ స్కిల్స్ అన్ని నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఇప్పుడు మాది ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. లోయల కాలేజీలో సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ కి ఆన్లైన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాము. అలాగే గుంటూరులో SRR కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేయమని గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చింది అనమాట. సో త్వరగా కాలేజెస్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి ఈ మధ్యలో మీరు నేర్చుకున్నట్టయితే మీకు చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అది ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ కదా. అందుకని ఈ కోర్స్ ని మీరు చాలా సీరియస్ గా తీసుకోండి. మీకోసం చాలా కష్టపడి ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 trainers సార్ మోసస్ చౌదరి సార్ మన విజయవాడ అనుకోండి, బట్ ఈస్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఆల్ ఓవర్. ఈ ఆల్సో గోస్ టు అదర్ కంట్రీస్ అండ్ మోటివేట్ పీపుల్, ట్రైన్ ద ట్రైనర్స్ అని, అంటే ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి ఆయన ట్రైనర్ అనమాట. అట్లా ఉండి మేడం జిన్సీ మేడం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్, వీళ్ళందరూ మీకు అవైలబుల్ అనేది మామూలుగా దొరకదు. మీకు చాలా శ్రమ పడాలి మీరు ఇదన్నీ. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ముందు అయితే యాక్చువల్గా మన స్టూడెంట్స్ ని ఎనేబుల్ ఇండియా పంపించాలి. ఇప్పుడు అదే ట్రైనింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ లో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రేర్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. మీరు ఉపయోగించుకున్నట్టయితే చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందమ్మా. అందరూ ఓకేనా? ఉపయోగించుకుంటారా? ఎస్ నో ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పండి. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏదైనా ఇబ్బందులు ఉన్నాయా? వేరే ఏదైనా లైక్ టెక్నికల్ ఏదైనా సపోర్ట్ ఉందంటే అఫ్కోర్స్ ట్రైనర్ ద్వారా కూడా చెప్పవచ్చు, సార్ కూడా చెప్పవచ్చు. సార్ ఈ కోర్స్ అన్నిటికి కూడా డైరెక్టర్ అనమాట, ప్రోగ్రామ్ డైరెక్టర్ కదా. సో మీకు ఎట్లా ఉన్నా కూడా వాళ్ళు మాడిఫై చేస్తారు. అట్లాంటి కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఏదైనా మీకు సార్తో మాట్లాడాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు మాట్లాడవచ్చు, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ తర్వాత చెప్పాలంటే కొద్దిగా కష్టపడాలి. బట్ మీకు ఏదైనా ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. మోసస్ చౌదరి సార్ మాటలు ముందు విన్నారు కదా. కొంతమంది విజయమేరి స్టూడెంట్స్, లోయలా స్టూడెంట్స్ విని ఉంటారు. ఈ సార్ ఏమో విజయవాడ లోయలా కాలేజీలోనే చదివారు. తర్వాత విజువల్లీ ఛాలెంజ్డ్ పర్సనే, కానీ చాలా హైట్ కి వచ్చారు ఇప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ వల్ల. ఇప్పుడు 6 years ముందు 2016లో ఎనేబుల్ విషన్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు ఎస్ బికమ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ డైరెక్టర్ కింద వచ్చి దాని కింద ఎనేబుల్ వాణి అండ్ ఆల్ ది అదర్ థింగ్ ఆల్సో హెస్ కమ్ అండర్ దట్ కదా. మరి సో సార్ తెలుగు, ఇంగ్లీష్ అని మాట్లాడతారు, మీరు మాట్లాడుకోవచ్చు. సో అవైలబిలిటీ టైం తర్వాత దొరకదు కాబట్టి ఏదైనా అడగాలంటే మీరు అడగవచ్చమ్మా. సో ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ మాత్రం మీరు చాలా సీరియస్గా ఉపయోగించుకోండి. 2 hours నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది, అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎవరికి ఏదైనా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ టైంలో మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉపయోగించుకోండి ట్రైనింగ్. దెన్ మేడం గారు చెప్పినట్టు మీ లైఫ్ కోసం, మీ దీనికోసం ఇది అరేంజ్ చేయటమే కాబట్టి ఉపయోగించుకున్నట్టయితే మీకు చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. అది ఒకటే నేను చెప్పగలుగుతాను. బెస్ట్ ట్రైనింగ్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంది మీకు. దీనికన్నా పెద్ద ట్రైనింగ్ నాకు తెలిసిన వరకు ఎక్కడ దొరకదు. సో ఇట్లాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ పీపుల్ మంచి ఇంతమంది ఫాలో అప్ చేయటం అనేది మీకు మామూలుగా దొరకదు. ఇదే ట్రైనింగ్ మీరు మామూలుగా ఇక్కడ విజయవాడలో ఉన్నప్పుడు SRR కాలేజీలో లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మొదలు పెట్టాం, పిల్లలు రాలేకపోయారు కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్లో అందరూ కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి మీరు చక్కగా ఉపయోగించుకోండి. వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ కంపల్సరీ చేసి తీరాలి అనుకోండి. ఏదో ఆప్షన్ అనుకోకూడదు, ఆప్షన్ కాదు, ఇది మన లైఫ్ కోసం మనం నేర్చుకుంటే మనకు పైకి వస్తుంది. మోసస్ చౌదరి మారి మనం కూడా రావాలి అన్నట్టు ఒక గోల్ ఉండాలి కదా మరి. సో అలాంటి కష్టపడితే ఆయన సార్ కూడా చదువుతున్నప్పుడు మన స్టూడెంట్సే ఇక్కడ. సో అన్ని స్టాఫ్ దగ్గర కూడా అన్ని డౌట్స్ అడగటం కానీ నేర్చుకోవటం అన్నది ఒక ఫైర్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ మాదిరి ఉంటే డెఫినెట్ అందరూ రావచ్చు. అప్పుడు ఆ రోజుల్లో ఇంత టెక్నాలజీ కూడా లేదు, మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ లేవు, ఓన్లీ ల్యాప్టాప్ ద్వారా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చాము ఆ రోజులో. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా అవకాశాలు చాలా ఉన్నాయి. మొబైల్ ఫోన్ లో జస్ట్ టుడే మార్నింగ్ ఐ వాస్ లిసనింగ్ వన్ మోసెస్ మొబైల్ వాయిస్ టు కన్వర్షన్ క్యాన్ బి యూస్డ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ అని ఒక పాయింట్ చెప్పారు. లైక్ వాయిస్ టు కన్వర్షన్ దట్ కెన్ ఆల్సో బి ఇంటగ్రేటెడ్ ఫర్ ఆన్సరింగ్ ద థింగ్ వితౌట్ స్క్రైప్స్ అన్నారు. సో అది కూడా ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ వే లైక్
yes sir, voice to text actually very improving sir. For example, we can interact, we can even dictate.
yes
Instead of typing it, we can dictate with Android phones.
Okay.
So that feature will also be shown, I think. Vinayak, we will be showing that, right?
no,
Yeah, sir.
Vinayak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
From basic to till end, reading in the book share, Sugama Pustakala reading also. And before that, we'll show how to write and how to dictate to the mobile also.
super
And Telugu typing also sir, because mobile లో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆండ్రాయిడ్ దాంట్లో టాక్ బ్యాక్ కూడా తెలుగుని కూడా చదువుతుంది కాబట్టి
ఓకే
తెలుగు టైపింగ్ కూడా వీలవుతుంది సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో దట్ కెన్ బి ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా ఒకసారి we can
Correct.
explore. That is also
Absolutely.
possible without scribes కాకుండా అలా కూడా we can think of that,
చేయొచ్చు.
right? So all these opportunities మీకు బెస్ట్ ఉన్న టెక్నాలజీని అందజేస్తున్నారు, చక్కగా ఉపయోగించుకోండి. So once again I also happy to see you Moses and all your
Absolutely
team.
sir.
Nice initiative you have taken. I wish great success, and definitely this will be a model program. That's what I foresee. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes, that option is there, sir, in our curriculum. But starting, we will teach them how to write through finger only, and later we will teach them how to dictate to the mobile later.
Oh, super.
That means both they can practice, sir. Actually.
Okay, very good. That's important. Yeah.
Yeah. One thing is, sir, that plan is why we have to introduce this keyboard through finger is that, sir, because this Android mobile keyboard, same our laptop keyboard or desktop keyboard is also same. So
Okay.
to get that,
QWERTY keyboard,
mind, we can image same like this only. I can type in my computer also.
Okay.
So for that, first we are getting Android mobile, sir.
Oh, super.
And also for also spellings and all that.
Okay. Yeah.
So we want them to as much of type, and then later on we will use the voice.
Yeah.
ఇవాళ శుక్రవారం అని చెప్పేవారు, అందరూ మౌనవ్రతంలో ఉన్నారా ఏంటి? అసలు విజయవాడలో ఏమండి, విజయవాడలో ఏమన్నా మౌనవ్రతం అండి ఇవాళ? అండ్ లైవ్ లో కాలేజ్ పిల్లలు కూడా మాట్లాడలేదు. జనరల్ గా యూ గైస్ ఆర్ వెరీ యాక్టివ్.
Yeah, correct.
See, you people have a great role model with you. If you want to ask anything, you can.
Yeah. Discipline.
Moses sir, students, I'm telling you people.
Young man, something only they are calling.
Generally when I go to Vijayawada, they all speak. I think either they are feeling little shy or network problem, something is happening.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
Some may have network issues also.
Correct.
Yeah. Very good. So it's nice, sir. Nice, Moses. Nice, the team, trainers. So once again, on behalf of college also, I thank each and every one of you. I wish the best output. We will meet one hour, then also we'll meet wherever necessary. And
Thank you.
On behalf of our college, Father Principal Samu could not join. I thank Enable India, Moses Chaudhary, Madam, and also Jinsi Madam. Madam, you can go to the next one. Yeah. Madam, there is a formal vote of thanks by Sai, I think.
Yeah, there is next is vote of thanks by Sai Vinayak.
Yeah.
Sai, you can just go ahead. Sai, unmute and talk.
Unmute చేయండి.
Yes, guys, sorry for the delay. Now I would like to propose vote of thanks to the coordinator of Hepson and of Andhra Loyola College, and as well as head of the Department of Physics, Dr. Sahai Bhaskaran sir, for welcoming the gathering and motivating us. And I would also appreciate the efforts made by Jinsi Madam here, project coordinator of this training for school and colleges. I would like to express my gratitude, Madam. Thank you so much. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Moses Anna for joining us and Moses Anna for joining us. He's the director of Enable Vision, Hamaravani and Namavani. So thank you, Anna. Thank you so much. And also I thank trainers from various parts. Like I thank Madhavi Akka, I thank Naveen Anna, I thank Siva Anna, and I thank Pavan Anna, and also I thank Rajesh and Vinayak sir for joining us and for making useful for society. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai. And maybe for your information, all the trainers are from Enable India. Okay, all of them are for Enable India, and
Yes,
for
ma'am.
any
But
technical issues,
they are
you can, yeah.
they are from different parts of the country, no, ma'am. Now.
Yeah, obviously. All are from different places. We are all in a virtual meeting now. Yeah, correct. So, guys, I think now we can go back to our respective classes, and think you have a separate link for batch 2. So before that, once again, let me tell you, see, for any doubts or any clarification, even any personal issues or technical issues, you can always reach out to the trainers. Okay, be free, reach out to them, and have a great learning. Wish you good luck, all of you.
Thank
Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, how are
Thank
you,
you,
sir?
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Sir,
Bye,
bye,
everybody. Bye. I'm
Bye, Moses.
Bye, Moses sir.
Sir, Sai Bhaskar.
Thank you, Jinsi ma'am.
Yeah, thank you all.
So thank you, Jinsi ma'am, for organizing well. Nice.
Yeah, thank you too, sir.
Thank you.
I think batch 1
Okay,
can
guys.
continue in this. Batch 1 can continue in this, that's their link, and batch 2 can leave this meeting and go back to the other link. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Vinayak, you
Yesterday,
can just
people
coordinate.
attended, no? Same link you can activate, guys. That's 2 people.
Vinayak and Pavan just coordinate with the batch 2 students and can take them to the another link.
Yes.
There is there.
So yeah, batch 2 people. So
You can join your.
Let's start. Hello.
Ama.
so
Yeah, nice, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Bye, Pavan. All the
Who's that?
trainers.
Yeah, one.
Bye.
Sorry. So
Hello?
batch